Yeah, hello kids, how are you doing today? Welcome to another numeracy class. Now, we started out the subtraction series with subtraction by counting with fingers, and we continued with subtraction with tens and units. Subtraction with tens and units, that is subtraction involving two-digit numbers, or subtracting numbers, a one digit or two digit from a two-digit number. So, and what we'll be doing today now is subtraction from, or rather subtraction with hundreds, tens and units. Remember, we just finished subtraction with tens and units, so now it will be going on the three digits, which is subtraction with hundreds, tens and units. Hundreds, tens and units. So you'll be watching it. It's just like a little advancement of the one we did last, which is the subtraction with tens and unit, two digits. Now it's going to be three digits, hundred, tens and unit. So just sit back and enjoy the lesson. It's not that hard, it's quite simple. Just carefully pay attention and follow through with the instructions. Thank you very much. See you in the lesson. We are now on into the lesson. So subtraction of numbers under hundreds, tens and units. We just finished subtraction of numbers under tens and units, two digits. But now we're going into subtraction of numbers under hundreds, tens and units in three digits. Now, remember, always start with the units when you are subtracting each place value, each of the numbers under each, the numbers under each place value. Start with the place value of units first, the numbers under the place value of units first. Now the first example we'll be having today is 256 minus 45. 256 minus 45. So that's like a two digits from a three digits. So let's break it out quickly. Let's start without wasting any time. Remember, we just start by writing our place value. Now we start with the hundreds, which is in H. Then, hundreds, then the tens, then the units. Good. So let's start writing the bigger number first, which is the 256. So 256, we write the unit first. The 6 is the unit, so we write it under the U. Let's make this clearer. Six. Then now the tens, which is the 5, 256, the 55, the 5 is the tens. Then we have the hundreds, this is the 202 under the H, which is the 100. Then remember, we write the operation we are working on, which is minus. Always put it there so that you don't forget the operation you are working on. So 256 minus what? 45. 5 is the units under the U. Then the 4, 45, 45. The 4 is the tens, right under the T. Perfect. So now we create the room for the answer. The line, then rule another one below here. Okay, that seems okay. So let's now outline each place value. The U, which is the unit, then the tens, which is the T, then the 100, which is the H, 100, which is the H, Okay, so let's start. Remember, we start with the units first. Okay, so what do we have in the units here? We have 6 minus 5. So let's write it out. 6 minus 5. So let's start counting. Let's count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then minus 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have 1. So 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. Is 1. So let's write it there. 6 minus 5. 1. 1. Good. Okay, then the 4 minus 5. Minus 5, let's count that for the tens. That will be 5 minus 4. That should be 5 minus 4, not 4 minus 5. We can't subtract a big number from a small number, so the big number comes first because we are taking away the smaller one from the big one. 5 minus 4. So let's start the counting. Let's count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what do we have left? 1. Let me fix this. Okay. And that's 1. That's just 1. 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. So now the next one we have for the hundreds is 2. And there's nothing there, so that will be 0. That's 2 minus 0. And any number subtracted by 0, or rather taking away 0 from any number, is the same number as 2. So we write 2 here. 2. So there we have it. We have 256 minus 45 is 211. 211. So let's look at the next example. Let's look at the next example, and that is 476 minus 243. 476 minus 243. So let's do that quickly. Remember, we write out our hundreds, tens, and units. So let's quickly do that. Hundreds, tens, units. Okay, good. So the next thing to do now is 476. The bigger number, we write it first, but we start from the unit, the 6 in the unit, and the 7 in the tens, then the 4 in the 100. Okay, so then we write our minus, then right? 243 now, minus 243, so the 3 should be under the unit, then the 4, 243, the 43, the 4 should be under the tens, then the 202 should be under the H, that 400. Good. So we have a space to write our answer. Created. Good. So we start outlining every activity under each place value, starting from the unit. The unit U, the T, tens, and the H, 100. Okay, so for the unit we have 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. So for the 6 minus 3, we count 6. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 3. 1, 2, 3. Then what do we have left? 1, 2, 3. So 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, so the next one for the tens, we have 7 minus 4. So let's count 7. So let's not forget, we can write the answer for this. You can write it there to remember. 7 minus 4, let's count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 3. 1, 2, 3. Now what do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. So 7. Oh, it's actually 7 minus 4. Yeah, thank God for remembering that. It's actually 7 minus 4, not 7 minus 2. So let's quickly fix that. Okay, so let's quickly fix that. 7 minus 4, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Then what's the answer? 1, 2, 3. So we have 7 minus 4 being 3 as well. So let's write it quickly there. Now we have 4 minus 2 for the 100, for the H. So let's count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now minus 2. 1, 2. What do we have as the answer? 1, 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So let's write it in the answer space here. 2. So you can see we have it here as 476 minus 243 would give us 233. It's as simple as that. So keep practicing and keep learning your subtractions. So it's as simple as that. So I'll give you some assessment questions, so endeavor to do them properly and get them all right. Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Bye. Remember, you are all awesome. Thumbs up to you all. Bye.